there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and broker of Maiga Homes. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of my favorite places in Southeast Michigan, Canton. Now, here are 10 reasons I think you'll want to buy a house in Canton, Michigan. Number 1, Canton is an up-and-coming township. Canton is one of the fastest growing communities in Michigan. In fact, over the last few years, the population has grown over to 90,000 people, which proves just how popular this former farmland has become. Reason number 2, Canton has nationally recognized and accredited schools. According to niche.com, Plymouth-Canton Community Schools, also known as PCCS, has earned an overall grade of A. It's known for its academic rigor, diversity, college prep program, clubs and activities, health and safety. PCCS is highly rated, number 15 out of all the school districts in Michigan and number 3 for Wayne County. PCCS has 17,346 students and a student-to-teacher ratio of 19:1. There are also great hospitals nearby, such as the University of Michigan Health Systems, Michigan Medicine, Beaumont Health, IHA, and Providence. Reason number 4, Canton is close to Ann Arbor, Detroit, Plymouth, Northville, and Novi, everywhere you'd want to be. Canton is perfectly situated between Ann Arbor and Detroit, less than 10 miles from each. It's close to several major highways and the Detroit Metro Airport. It's also close to downtown Plymouth, one of the most charming and interesting places to shop, walk, eat, and unwind. And don't forget that the fabulous shopping experiences that is 12 Oaks Mall in Novi is just a short drive away. Reason number 5, Canton is more affordable than some of the surrounding areas. Michigan is an affordable state to live in, with the cost of living below the national average. Canton is slightly higher than the national average, primarily in areas of housing and transportation. However, Canton is lower than comparable areas such as Ann Arbor, Plymouth, Northville, or Novi, giving you more money in your pocket. Reason number 6, Canton has amazing park systems. According to Canton Leisure Services, Canton prides itself on providing an excellent system of parks which offer a variety of activities for residents, plus a place for families to gather for picnics and other outdoor activities. The Canton Dog Park is safe, outdoor space where Canton residents, dogs can play off the leash. You need to register your pooch to enjoy this lovely amenity. Now, to learn more about Canton's beautiful parks, stay tuned for video 10 in this series, the 5 best outdoor parks near Canton, Michigan. Reason 7, Canton's Ford Road and Cherry Hill Village. Enough said. Canton's Ford Road boasts over 300 places to eat, shop, and work. It's become famous for its retail, commercial, and medical spaces. You have to see it to believe the convenience. Cherry Hill Village also offers Village Theater, which seats up to 400 people and is a premier performing arts center. Reason number 8, Canton is close to many colleges and universities, perfect for attending and for work. Some of the nearby recognized universities are University of Michigan Ann Arbor, Schoolcraft College, Henry Ford College, Concordia, University of Ann Arbor, Eastern Michigan University, Washtenaw Community College, Lawrence Tech, Wayne State University, and much more. Number 9, Canton regularly hosts supremely entertaining community events, festivals, and recreational activities. Some of the most popular are Liberty Fest, Summer Concert Series, the Summit on the Park, and Canton Sports Center, golf courses, hiking, biking, running, walking trails, and high-velocity sports. Number 10, Canton is recognized as one of the safest cities in the area. Canton consistently ranks as one of the safest communities in the US, not just Michigan, but the entire United States. That's pretty impressive. Now, I hope you've learned a lot today, and I've given you a lot to think about from today's episode. As always, if you think you may want to make a move in the next year, give me a call and set up a consultation. I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. So please subscribe to my channel today, as I will be releasing new videos every week. And tune into next week's episode, why Central Park Estates is one of the most popular subdivisions in Canton. Plus, if I'm not able to personally assist you, don't worry. I am very well connected, and I can find you a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. This will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other series on relocation, selling a home, buying a home, new construction, downsizing, buying and selling simultaneously, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.